Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. In this video, we will see the solution to the problem of printing a completely black page when printing in our printers and perform the repair. We have put our clean papers in our tray so that you can see how we print out once again. Now the test printing process is starting. We will see it together again, friends. If the gold rate is low in the conductive parts of the devices, oxidation may occur. After applying it, we provide full contact by moving it a little. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends. As you can see, our black page has appeared again. Now we will follow step by step how to solve this malfunction. We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together. First of all, we clean the electrical transmission pins on our toner and clean the corresponding ones in our printer. Also, we need to check the moving electrical conductive parts in our printer. After cleaning, we need to check whether the spring parts that our pins contact with our toner move or not. Sometimes it can stay stuck as it seems. We should press it down a little to make it flattened and increase its mobility. You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well. By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. We saw that our spring metal conductive part was stuck. We removed the stuck part with the help of a screwdriver and correct its curvature so that it moves more stable while inserting our toner, making contact and coming out of its slot when necessary. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. And we try several times using different materials and want to make sure the process is successful. We provide this secure service to you thanks to YouTube. Well, our other moving spring conductor metal stays in its slot in the same way, and if there is no transmission, what will be the result? You can click on its video link in the explanation section and watch it. As a very simple process, you can easily solve your problem by following what I did step by step. Now we will try to get a problem-free printout again. Will we be successful? We will see it all together.
connected to it. It will load.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Our device is working very stable. Our process is very successful. I recommend it to you. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes. Yes, when we try, our writing comes out perfect. We have solved this problem. Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully. We guide you about the malfunctions of all your other electronic devices, free of charge diagnosis and solution methods. If you write in the comments, our expert team will respond as soon as possible. I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.